Hello everyone, welcome back to our Facebook page. Next, we'll be taking small piece of paper, fold it from the sides like this and the between, and then tuck it from the side like this. Now make a triangle like shape over it like this. Follow the same step for the other side as well in the same manner. Now fold it from the back as well and tuck it like this. Now fold it from the sides again and follow the same step. Now we'll be pressing it like this from the sides. Press it like this and make few more as such. Now fix all of them together one by one over each other or inside each other like this. And make the flower like shape and make the petals like shape. Fix it like this. Now make few more as such and keep fixing it and make a ball out of it in the same manner. Now it's done. Take the paper pieces like this of two colors. Fold it from the top and fix them into each other. Now roll it from the sides like this. So fold it on the alternative sides. Hold it in a zigzag shape like this. Now fix it as shown here. Now fix it from the top as well. Now keep fixing it one by one over each other till the video is showing here. So keep folding it one by one in the shapes or the alternative sides like this. So watch the technique very carefully how we are folding it. Now repeat the same process for few more times and in the same manner you have to fix it. Now fix them into each other at the end like this. Now after folding it, cut the extra part and you will get a shape like this, and look, it's done. Next, we'll be taking a square shape paper and then fold it like this from the sides. Now open it and again fold it like this from the sides. Fold it and open it again. Now tuck it inside like this. Make creases on it first like this and then cut it from the top. Now after that, fold it again and make a space like this by fixing it. Make few more as such in the same manner and join them together like this. Now, after making the petals and then make a stick like this. Roll it with the help of a pink paper and fix the flower over it, and it's done. Next, take a green color paper and then we'll be folding it like this. Fold it on the top and then fix it by pressing it from the top like this. Fix it from the sides and make a heart like shape. Now fold it from the back, turn the paper and then make few more as such and fix them like this to make a flower. Now take a green color paper, fold it like this to make the ring, fix them together, and it's done. Next, take a origami paper and then fold it from all the sides. Make the creases on them first and then press it like this. Now fold it from the top and then open the paper again. Make a square like shape in the between and then fix it with the help of it. Fold it like this and then fold it from the back as well. Now press them one by one in the triangle shape like this. Now after that, press them like this from the between. Fold them like this and fix it from the top as well. Fold it from the sides and repeat the process. Now turn the paper and paste the frill over it like this, and it's done. Next, we'll be taking our origami paper, fold it like this and make the creases on them first. After making the crease on all the sides, press them like this and fold it in the shape of a triangle. Now fold it like this from the sides and press it. Follow the same step for the other side as well in the same manner you have to fix it. Now after that, open it from the between like this and press them. Make a shape like this and then fix it from the top by rolling it, and it's done. Thanks for watching our video.